In this video, I am going to present a few exercises for plantar fasciitis. So plantar fasciitis is where you get a pain in your heel. And this pain is extremely bad when we get up in the morning. And as we start our activities, sometimes the pain reduces. The main reason is there is an inflammation here in the tissues which connect the heel bone to the toes. So when there is an inflammation in the tissue, you start getting heel pain. There are not too many medicines for this. Most of them are painkillers. However, a few exercises can give you a lot of relief. So now let's look at the first exercise. So assume that this is the foot where you are having the heel pain. So now what you do is you apply pressure, leave out your heel and apply pressure with your thumb in the rest of the foot. Apply pressure. So with full intensity on the toes and on the rest of the foot. Don't press your heel. It may further cause damage to the tissue. So put the pressure with your thumb like this. Otherwise, you can make use of what is called as a jimmy. This is an acupressure instrument, simple wooden one. You can get it in all toy shops or you can order it online. So there is a blunt edge to it. So using that also you can apply the pressure like this. So again, make sure you don't press your heel. It's the rest of the foot. Okay. So this is the first simple exercise. Now let's see the second one. So what you do is you put the painful foot on top of the other and hold your ankle and grab your toes and push your leg back. So this gives a complete stretch to this and will help in relieving the pain. So do this a couple of times. You can do it 5 to 10 times. Okay, you can do it twice daily. Just like this. Just push it out. So this whole portion gets stretched. After these two exercises, you can do a few simple exercises with your foot. Now just observe my foot. The first one is simple. Take a frozen bottle of water. So the cold temperature also helps you to relieve the pain. Or you can use a small tennis ball or a chapati rolling pin. And the exercise is simple. Just keep the bottle, keep your foot, the center of the foot and just roll. Just roll. So if you are using a frozen bottle, the cold temperature will give you further relief. So this is a very simple exercise. So you roll your foot for 3 to 5 minutes, 3 or 4 times a day. Now, the fourth exercise, again with your foot, is simple. Take a piece of cloth and put it down and place both your feet on the cloth. And now push the cloth closer to your body using your toes. So you see, you're actually folding your toes. This is one way to fold the toes. So go on pushing the cloth towards you. So this is called as curling of the toes. Okay. And once you have pushed it, then again you can spread it and repeat this whole exercise a couple of times. See, like this. So curl your toes and pull the cloth. So this is the fourth exercise. Now the fifth exercise is simple. You can take a few things. Or you can take some marbles, put it on the floor and try to pick up the object with your feet. So in this process, you will be curling your toes and then put it in a container. So you can just pick up an object and put it in a container. So you can put some hankies or some marbles or something. So this is again for your toes and stretching of the foot. So this is the fifth exercise. Now the last one, you need a support of a wall. Just see how to do it. It's called as the calf stretch. So the foot where you have the pain, keep it at the back, and the healthy foot, keep it forward. And now take the support of the wall. So here you see the foot which is forward has no pain, and the foot which is backward has the heel pain. Place both your feet firmly on the ground. And now just bend the knee. Don't lift your legs up, bend the knee. So you can do this 10 times. Okay? Do it 10 times and then relax for a few seconds and again repeat another 10 times. And then again relax and again repeat. This is the sixth exercise. So if you do this exercises, you will get a lot of relief from your pain, and don't go for painkillers unless it is needed. Lastly, you have what is called as the RICE technique. R-I-C-E. R stands for rest. So the moment you start feeling the heel pain, give it rest. I stands for ice. So 15 to 20 minutes, give an ice pack to the heel which is painful. You can do this 2-3 times a day. C stands for compress. So you can compress the heel with a cloth or wrap it with a cloth for a half an hour or so. And E stands for elevate. So when you sleep, try to put your feet in an elevated position. So these simple exercises can relieve a lot of pain from your heels. Thank you.